Hi all, welcome to OneCast live session. Today we are here to discuss about how to start a career in SAP or a career in SAP. So before this, let us discuss something on SAP. People used to call it as SAP, which is not right. We have to call it as SAP, and it stands for System Application Product in Data Processing. SAP is an ERP started in Germany in 1972 by 5 IBM employees. Its core focus was business process automation by enterprise resource planning. Today, their solution supports manufacturing, finance, sales, and almost any other process in a business. Now, when we talk about SAP, it's not just a company or software, but it's a product used by very best companies around the world. Now, we earlier talked about ERP, but what is an ERP and how does it works in real-time business scenario? So, ERP is an enterprise resource planning. It is used to manage the business process in real time. Let's take a business example. Suppose if you want to buy a car and you are going to a car showroom, and what are the process that are going to happen? Let us see in a video.
You go through the specifications and select a car. The sales team sends you a quotation. Based on that, you place your order for the car. Now that you have placed your order, the production team has to manufacture the car, the procurement team has to purchase the materials for the production, the finance team has to release the needed funds, and the human resource team has to allocate the manpower. Also, after production is complete, you have to send it for testing, then deliver the car to the showroom, and then finally you get the car. So you can see the process to buy a car goes through multiple teams who will have multiple things to do and would need to develop multiple reports also.
And that is why there is a need to connect all the different departments through a single software, and hence we use an ERP, and the market leader in ERP is SAP. Now basically you have understood the concept of ERP and how it works in real-time business scenario. So now let us watch a video on SAP and its presence in world.
SAP has 65% market share in ERP. It is the market leader in ERP. SAP has 413,000 customers in 188 countries. SAP has 1,600 plus partners spread globally. 13 million plus SAP certified professionals worldwide.
And that gives you an importance of SAP, isn't it? So you have seen what is an ERP and who is the market leader and what is the presence of SAP in the world. And now you can see what are the uses of SAP in different sectors, and you can see the video here.
About SAP, it is the world's largest provider of enterprise application software. For the world, 74% of the world's transaction revenue touches an SAP system. For business, SAP customers represent 98% of the top 100 most valued brands in the world. 87% of Forbes Global 2000 are part of SAP. For people, mobile solution from SAP reach 97% of the world's mobile subscribers via text messaging.
So now you have seen what are the uses of SAP in different sectors, and basically you have come across what is an ERP and who is the market leader in SAP, who is the market leader in ERP. So after all this, you all have something in mind which is called opportunity. So let us see what are the opportunities that are available in SAP.
Approx. Employee base on SAP skills in India. Inside top 20 system integrators. Number of SAP skills employed, 1.17 lakh. Rest 1,600 partners. Number of SAP skills employed, 80,000. Total SAP skill base is approx 1.97 lakh. Calculation of fresher requirement in India on SAP domain approx. Total employee in SAP practice equals 1.97 lakh. Standard attrition every year 25% equals 49,000. Headcount fill plus new manpower requirement of 10% every year equals 49,000 plus 20,000 equals 79,000. 30% fresher requirement out of total 79,000 equals 28,000. Average salary roadmap. Fresher salary approx. 350,000. Salary after 2 years approx. 450,000. Salary after 6 years approx. 750,000. Salary after 10 years approx. 1,500,000. Salary after 14 years approx. 2,200,000. Some facts on SAP consultant salary. Average entry-level salary, 483,000, and other details can be seen on the screen.
And yes, now you have seen the opportunities in SAP. Either it can be a fresher or it can be an experienced person. Whereas you have seen the roadmap also on how the salary is going to get increased from the basic to the experienced people. And now you have something in mind. What are the modules that are available in SAP, which we can segregate as two types. One thing we can call it as technical module, and second thing we can call it as functional module. Now let me say my own example. So I am coming from the finance background, whereas my friend is coming from a technical background, which means he has a coding background. So I chose finance as my career, whereas he chose ABAP as a career. So like what are the things that are available in technical is like ABAP, Basis, Fiori, etc. Whereas when we talk about functional module, we can say sales, material management, and procurement, etc. So here you can see the different modules that are available in SAP.
Technical modules are the programmings inside SAP. There are modules like ABAP, Basis, Fiori which are catered to technical users. Functional modules are specific to each business specification, be it sales, finance, procurement, human resource, etc. SAP has a module for each. There are more than 500 modules in SAP. You can join us for a free counseling session to determine the right module for you. Simply fill the form in our Contact Us page.
So now with all this in your mind, from the basic, from what is ERP and who are the market leader in ERP and what are the uses of SAP in different sectors, whereas you have come across the opportunities and also you have seen the modules that are available in SAP. Now we want to know something called career growth in SAP, and we can say it from the scratch, from business user to a trainer. So let us see the path that are from business user to trainer, how we can grow in your career.
You can choose from multiple careers in SAP. There are basically 5 opportunities in the SAP ecosystem: consulting, support, sales or pre-sales, project management, and business user. You can start your career as a technical consultant, functional consultant, or a business user. You can see on the screen how you can further progress in your career. So kickstart your career across SAP ecosystem.
And yes, you have seen that career growth in SAP in from the scratch business user to trainer, and SAP is giving you a different ecosystem, which is from consulting, support, sales, project management, and business users. So from the scratch, we can start from the business user. From that experience, you can go for consultant, and from that you can go for lead consultant, and you can go for freelancer, and finally you can go for trainer. So these are the basics that you can understand how we can get a career growth in SAP. So now let us talk something about training. The most important mode of training in SAP is through Learning Hub. Learning Hub is used everywhere across the world. So now let us see how Learning Hub works.
To high quality content, and as soon as you start your subscription, you can interact with SAP experts and instructors via our learning rooms, who will guide and shape your learning journey for you. But did you know we have an edition of SAP Learning Hub for everyone? For those of you in higher education looking for a head start to your SAP career, you can sign up to the Student Edition through your university or college. The focus is on key solution areas to help you hit the ground running straight after graduation in your career in the SAP world. People who wish to learn more about SAP or who are SAP users already and looking to upskill should look at the Business User Edition. Overview courses, simulations of thousands of SAP transactions, learning rooms and more, and all at a very affordable price. Designed for professionals who implement and run SAP solutions, the Customer Edition of SAP Learning Hub has over 75 separate learning rooms, covering all aspects of SAP and offering access to over 4,500 training titles. It also includes everything you need to study for SAP certification, the mark of a true SAP professional. And for those larger customers and partners who want to personalize and add their own content to SAP Learning Hub, we offer the Enterprise and User Adoption editions. The Enterprise Edition offers all the social learning and content from the Customer Edition, but includes greater reporting functionality, as well as the option to upload your own content. Organizations can also brand the platform to further personalize the learning experience for their teams. And for organizations that have a large number of users to train and keep up to speed, we introduce the newest member of the family, the User Adoption Edition. In addition to all the great end-user training content you would expect from SAP, tools and services are included to help you create and distribute content to end users, providing a one-stop solution for all their training needs. Of course, we wouldn't expect you to buy before you try, so we're pleased to offer you the Discovery Edition, completely free access to a growing range of titles and learning rooms, enabling you to experience the benefits of SAP Learning Hub. So, what are you waiting for? With an SAP Learning Hub edition for everyone, why not sign up and change the way you learn today? Visit us today to find out more.
And you have seen the important things that how Learning Hub is going to help you out for your better career. So how Dexleron is going to help you out in your career growth career path in SAP. Here you can see. So the first thing is we are coming up with the Learning Hub solutions, and also we have a query support to resolve all your queries, learning journey for customized learning paths, Adobe connection sessions with module specific SMEs, assessments for benchmarking, access to job boards on the website, and finally you can get ready for global certification. So you can join us for the free counseling session to determine the right module, and you can also ask about your career path in SAP. So simply you have to fill the form in our contact us page, and if you want to ask anything, any other thing, you can mail us in marketing@dexler.com. Hope we can join in next session. Thank you.